What's your favorite bird?
Well, I know yours. I don't know. I like Kias. Kias are cool.
Sorry? Kia?
Kia, yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Kias are awesome.
I don't know if you know this, but I really like pigeons.
Owls?
Hedwigs, I
Owls are
love hedwigs.
Now the best animal by far though is a bear. You can't get any more cool than a bear.
Yeah, there's no greater bird than a bear.
Yeah.
It's
Have you ever
just
seen a bear fly? You can't because you don't live.
because no one's
The reason
lived
why
to
there
tell
are
the tale.
There's a reason that there's no one sightings of flying bears. No one's lived to see the tail. Same with dragons. You ever seen a dragon? No one lives.
Exactly. Fuck, that's... Have you ever seen a flying bear? No, because no one's alive to tell you. God damn it.
You get in like a 10-mile radius of that bitch, you just die. You drop dead. In the middle of the Bermuda Triangle was a flying bear.
Yeah, it wasn't Hiroshima. Hiroshima didn't get nuked. It got flying beard.
Chernobyl.
It was a radiation variant of the flying bear.
Yeah, legendary bear Pokemon.
Oh my god.
It was a shiny.
Chernobyl bear
shiny flying
Pokemon.
bear.
Reaper behind you.
I got the Moira, so that's pretty decent trade, I guess.
I like how the
Same.
Reaper... I love it when people who clearly fucking suck dick get like a kill and then start teabagging you. Like that Reaper, I destroyed him. Then again, I destroyed him again, and the Genji killed me. Then he comes over and starts teabagging me. What kind of fucked up logic is that? I just need the health. Two ults.
To take out 2 tanks.
I killed. You know who?
Did you kill the Genji?
And I killed the Reaper. Oh my god.
So they used 2 ults to kill 2 tanks and lost.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god, fucking the stuns for days. Jesus Christ.
Amplification matrix ready. Your strike starting.
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking
He just
god.
slam.
I have my
you just-
melee set to R3. I have my melee set to R3, and you punched me, so I wanted to punch you back.
Connor.
No,
Melee
don't
is
talk to me.
Reinhardt.
Don't talk to me right now.
You can't prematurely have
Oh no.
It's a problem I have a lot of the time.
It's okay. You're a special kind of sheep, but it's okay.
I
Fucking
might have to take a break just for a bit.
Stardew
after
Valley.
this. Oh, that would be nice.
You can quick melee. You can quick melee the
All right, let's go.
everything.
What? What? I'm in a competitive match, by the way.
I'm not even in. I'm playing Stardew.
Yeah, I thought we were doing that after.
No, because he's
In all
gonna want to
honesty.
take a break. Just leave.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that to the team.
Dodge. She took my money.
Took my money.
She on all my money. Now I ain't saying she's a gold digger, but she ain't
fucking-
messing with no broke. That's the PC version. I shit you not. In the
Yeah,
in the
I know, I've
non-sphere
seen it.
it's so bad. I
I'm
ain't
messing with
saying
no
she a
broke.
gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. I ain't saying she a gold digger. But like, it's so obvious what it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
It's just like,
It's like the clean version of 100%.
Beep 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 beep. I'm 100% beep.
Yeah.
Beep 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 beep. What
Yeah,
is he
like
saying? What
I
is
don't
he
know what he's
saying?
saying. Like actually look, I'm gonna look it up because I'm not actually too sure if that's a thing.
No,
Like
it is. It's the Twitch friendly version. I can play it because I'm playing Stardew. Here we go. It's so good.
Why do you call yourself
Liquor.
Well, I wrote this song for the Christian youth. I want to teach kids the Christian truth. If you want to reach those kids on the street, then you gotta do a rap to a hip hop beat. So I gave my sermon an urban kick. My rhymes are fly, my beats is sick. My crew is big and it keeps getting bigger. That's 'cause Jesus Christ is my.
Ba, 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 ba.